أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, how are you? Today's video will be in English. It is about lesson number 17. Lesson number 17 is about maddat. Maddat means to stretch extraordinary. It is actually a sign which comes always over the letter, and whenever this sign comes, we have to make that letter longer in sound, and we have to make the stretching sound so that the length of madda will be completed. Now these maddat, they have 6 kinds. Maddat have 6 kinds, and they are front of you. Like number 1 is madda muttasil, and number 2 is madda munfasil, number 3 is madda lazim, 4th leen lazim, 5th arid, and 6th is leen arid. These are the 6 kinds of maddat, and the causes of maddat are 2. There are 2 causes of maddat. The reasons of maddat, why we have to stretch the letter extraordinary, there are 2 causes for it. Either there should be hamza in the same word or the word after, or there must be sukoon in the same word or the word after. These are the 2 causes of madda, and whenever these causes are found, we have to stretch that letter according to its length. Now we can do in detail these kinds. The first kind is madda muttasil. We see how much we have to lengthen it and what is the reason when we have to apply the rule of madda muttasil. Now this is number 1 is madda muttasil. If after a letter of madda, the letter hamza appears in the same word, then it is called madda muttasil. So for example, this one is ja'a. Now ja'a means in Arabic, this is an Arabic word which means come. Like for example, if I say ja'a rajulu, that means the man come. So ja'a is one word. So after the letter of madda, alif is a letter of madda, because alif has fatha behind, so alif becomes a letter of madda. So after alif, the hamza is found in the same word. This is why it is madda muttasil, because it is joined. The cause is joined in the same word. So this is why we have to stretch this letter, alif madda. How much the length? It is written over here. Stretch until 2, 2.5 or 4 alif's length. This is in the blue color, the line it is written about the length. So we know now that madda muttasil means the cause of madda appears in the same word. But when the cause of madda appears in the next word, this is the difference between the first one and between the second kind of madda muttasil and madda munfasil. Munfasil mean which is found in the next word. It is separate than the first word. So for example, this word is fi anfusikum. First we read the definition, so that by the definition it will be easy for you to understand. Madda munfasil says, if after a letter of madda, the letter hamza appears in the next word. This is the difference, as I highlighted earlier. So this is the difference. The first one is appearing in the same word. The cause is appearing in the same word, but the cause is appearing in the next word. That becomes the second kind of madda. For example, this word is fi anfusikum. Now fi is one word, which means in. In English, we can say in, and anfusikum, themselves, in themselves, or of themselves. So here the cause of madda, that is hamza, which is appearing in the next word, anfusikum. And ya is a madda letter because it has a kasra behind, so ya becomes a madda letter. And over this ya, there's the sign of madda. There's a sign of madda, so this is why it is called madda munfasil. The cause of madda is appearing in the next word, not the same word. According to the length, we have to stretch that very madda. So it says like stretch until 2, 2.5 or 4 alif's length. We have to stretch either 2 alif or 2.5 or 4 alif. That means in the previous lessons of English videos, I have told you like how much the length of 1 alif is. For example, if you close the finger and open it again at the same time, the time this action contains or it uses, that is the length of 1 alif. So if it says like 2 alifs or 2.5, so that means like 2 times we have to close the finger and open it in the same time. So that is the length of 2 alifs. This was the definition of madda muttasil and munfasil. We can do some examples which are at the bottom of, and inshallah in the next video we will do the rest of the 4 kinds of madda. They are lazim, leen lazim, arid, leen arid. We can do some examples, and these examples are at the bottom of the page. I do highlight for you some of them. For example, this is the first line, so we can do the first line with the signs and without the signs. These are the muttasil examples. For example, the first one is we say from the beginning, the first box. I highlighted in the blue color the big rectangle, and my pointer is in the first box. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is Jim Alif Fatha Mad Ja Hamza Fatha A Ja A. And then you see the cause of madda, which is hamza, is appearing in the same word. This is why this is called madda muttasil. And the next one is Jim Ya Kasra Mad Ji Hamza Fatha A Ji A. And then the next one is Wow Lam Fatha Wal Lam standing Fatha Mad La Walla Hamza Ya Kasra E Wallahi. And the next one is Seen Ya Kasra Mad Si Hamza Ta Fatha At Si At. And the next one is Hamza Dhamma U Lam standing Fatha Mad La Ula Hamza Kasra E Ulai Kaf Haka Ulaika. In between, after Alif Hamza has the ma over, there's Waw. So Waw is not to be read because it is the rule in Arabic that whatever letter it comes and it has no sign over or under, it is to be considered as a silent letter. So here Waw is silent. It comes in writing because it do have meaning, but it doesn't come in reading. So just we say Ula, Ula. We don't say Oo because Waw is silent. And next word, which is the last one of this line, that is Ha, Fatha Ha, Dal, Alif, Fatha Mad Da, Hada, Hamza Kasra E, Hada E, Qaf, Fatha Qa, Hadaiqa. All these examples which you can see in this line, they are the examples of madda muttasil because the cause of madda is appearing in all these examples in the same word. So this was all about lesson number 17. We started today about madad, which means extraordinary length, making the letter longer. Whenever the sign of madda comes over any letter, it comes always over the letter. And we have read the first two kinds, that is madda muttasil and munfasil, with their definition and detail, and we did the examples as well. And we saw that madda muttasil means like when the cause of madda appears in the same word, and madda munfasil means when the cause of madda appears in the next word. So in the next video, we will do the rest of the four kinds which we left, like as I told you in the beginning. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. May Allah protect us all. May Allah help us all. May Allah guide us all. And may Allah make us united and brave and powerful front of any kind of enmity against Islam, against the religion, against the Almighty Allah, against the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah make us the one, the chosen one, the righteous one, and make us the one to whom He loves, to whom He has chosen for His blessings, bounties, favors, and mercies. Inshallah. Ameen. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.